Our son just sneezed. This is what we have to do. My American wife brings out the tincture. I start looking for the draft, the promaha, what we call. There must be something that's open in the house, a window, a door, somewhere where this draft is killing us. We must protect the body from the wind invasion. He needs a blanket, a coat, and a hat, now. We must protect those kidneys. He can't get sick. That is much better. All right, which side are you on? Tincture or the wind draft?